All right, today I'm going to actually add feet to a piece of furniture that I found. I actually found this piece of furniture on Facebook Marketplace for 14 bucks. So I nabbed it, but it's a little bit low and I want to add feet to it just to give it a little extra style and to boost it up a little bit. We've done it before with furniture where it was a little bit more of a process. I'm going to show you today the easiest way to do it. You won't believe how simple it is. I actually went to Home Depot and I got these little bun feet. You can see they've got a lag screw already in them. Very simple. And then a bracket that will screw into. The foot was about 10 bucks, the bracket was a few bucks, and obviously I bought 4 of them, so we're gonna get started. So the first part is to figure out exactly where I want this to sit. I decided this sticks up a little bit, and I wanted that to be right in the corner of the support underneath. So that's where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna square this the best that I can, just by eye, and mark where I'm going to put my screws. That's in there so solid, I don't even know that I need to put the other 2 screws in. I think I'll wait. If I need it over time, I'll have the screws and I'll do it. In the meantime, then you just screw your foot in. I've already put in a bracket over here. Boom, done. Those are the feet. I want to tip it up to see how it looks. And I like it. All right, now it's time to stain. I'm going to show you a little trick though. Because these are raw wood, I'm going to show you what happens when I put the stain on it. They soak it up. It's way darker than I want this to be. I'm gonna take a little denatured alcohol and I'm gonna rub this foot down with it. And what that will do is moisten up the wood so that it's not soaking up the stain so voraciously. So now that I have that, now I can put my stain on and just kind of rub it around. And now I'm getting the color that I want to match the piece. This is gonna lighten up a little bit. I did this one last night, so you can see it lightened up a little and it yellowed out a little, and that's exactly what I needed to do for this piece. All right, here we go. Brackets are on, super simple. Feet screwed on. I did stain them. I think at some point I'll come along and maybe put some clear polyurethane on that or a little bit of wax just to protect the finish on them. But I want to show you what it looks like, how simple it was to put those on. It literally took minutes. We'll tip this back up and you can see for yourself. I like it. Looks pretty good, huh? There you have it. Super easy feet on a piece of furniture on Jill of All Trades.